Hi friends, so recently my brother joined the Simeio company and here is the unboxing video of their welcome kit. Let's unbox and see what they are providing to their new employees. If you are not aware of this company, then let me tell you, Simeio is a company that provides professional and managed service in the identity and access management, that is IAM, along with the identity as a service means IDAC. It recognized for its IAM virtualization platform which operate via Simeio identity. Okay, and its headquarter is in Georgia and its operation in UK, Europe, North America, South America, Canada, India. You can check more about on Google if you want to know more about Simeio solution, then you can check. So let's unbox and see what they are providing, what they are giving to the new employee. If you are going to join them, then what you will get to know from this video.